What's the one side dish that goes with anything? You guessed it, potatoes. That's why you're here watching this video. The secret to making creamy mashed potatoes lies in the ingredients and the technique, and I'm here to show you how. For this recipe, you'll need 4 to 5 small potatoes or 2 large potatoes, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and water. Let's start off by peeling and dicing the potatoes. The next few steps will work out better if your dices are no more than about a 1/2 inch thick. Now once you're done prepping the potato dices, add them to a pot and boil them for about 30 minutes, or until each dice is easily mashable with a fork. Be sure to drain as much of the water as you can out of the pot before adding the potatoes to a mixing bowl. For the last step, add all of the ingredients to the mixing bowl, and it's important that you use a blender at this point. If you want your potatoes to be nice, fluffy, and creamy, it's the best and only way. Once you have the potatoes at your desired consistency, you are done. It's time to serve and enjoy. If this video was helpful for you, do me a favor and click that like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your family and friends. Until next time, I just like to cook, and I'll see you later.